Love gives us a life. Love gives us a joy. Love gives us a peace. Love gives us a power. Love gives us everlasting success. Love is all we need. Love is moving around. Love is our sharpener.
Rero twinyize kugira ngo tuzubane natwe ubukirere cyiza kandi tujye gukina n'urukundo kandi muri uyu mukino tugiye gukina bituma icyoboro cyawe kigaragara bituma ukomeze kwamamara batarakumenya bakumenye.
Of humanity, come and see how we are good people. Love makes us rescue other people. Come and see how we are good friends. Love makes us strong and healthy. Come and see all within the love and the unity. Love makes the world like a small village. You can't be far away beyond the reach of our love.
Love is patient, love is kind, and it does not envy. It does not boast, and it does not proud. Love is not rude. It is not self-seeking, and it is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. Love never fails.
Yes, come and see, come and see. Love is moving around.
We can't make progress without the love.
Love makes us wise. Love makes us a hero.
We can't feel free without the love.
Love makes us move. Love sets us free.
We can't be the winner without the love.
Love never fails. Love's our weapon.
You can't heal the world without the love.
Let us make love reach to all the people. Yeah, yeah, yes. Come and see. Come and see. Love is moving around. Yeah, yeah, yes. Come and see. Come and see. Love is moving around.
I'm standing at the view of Thousand Hills watching the wonders from love. Love is moving around, come and see.
It's a great joy to me. Be courageous.
mukomereza aho natangaye
Congratulations. I was also surprised
kubona abakobwa bakina umupira bimeze bityo
to see girls who can play in this way.
nanezerewe cyane
I was so excited.
uko mukina neza mutange n'urugero rwiza
The way you play well, be good example.
nagize amatsiko yo kugira ngo mbese akarere nikabakinisha
So I think the district should make a good team of all of you.
imana ibahamugisha rero
May God bless you.
mwese imana ibahamugisha
My name is Bart and I
Bart.
come from the Sunday school from the Netherlands.
Akunze kuba mu nyigisho z'abana zo ku cyumweru mu Buholandi.
It's a beautiful country because I was 3 times in Nairobi, Kenya. It's my first time in Rwanda.
Sinigeze mba muri Nairobi muri Kenya ariko ni ubwa mbere ngeze hano mu Rwanda ngo mufite igihugu cyiza. Murakoze cyane.